Lightning. There was a time when lightning struck, and the forest was healthy enough to handle these lightning strikes. Logging only specific trees, the forest becomes less resilient, thus weakening the forest. The demand for wood meant logging has continued uncontrolled. How do we begin reforest action? What is necessary to assist the forest in a responsible, sustainable reforest action? Artist's note. When given this slice of a tree, I immediately saw the lightning, observed the structures that looked like a teepee, which represents the home of the forest dwellers.